Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I hope everyone had a great Christmas holiday and a Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. It's the same as 2020 pretty much, but I hope everyone's been doing well. I haven't recorded in a bit, so I just wanted to do a quick video. It's not really a review or an unboxing, but I finally bought a ring light. So right now I am using my regular just lamp that I've always used. I have the monitor going just so I could see, and it's actually not too bad in here, but it could be better. So I purchased the ring light, which I'll show right here, but I'll switch in a minute. The one I bought is a Neewer. It's an X001 VOF8J7. Looks like it's an 18-inch, 55 watt dimmable LED ring light. So all of my videos I've been shooting kind of like this, just that light, some light from outside, some natural light. Right now it is 8:30 p.m. Pacific time, so I have no other natural light coming in. So right now it is only my lamp. And like I said, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, maybe it's because it's so dark that it's illuminating pretty well, but I am going to switch on the ring light and to see if there's any difference. It's probably way brighter, obviously, and we'll just see what setting I have it on. So let's do that in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, I can't even snap my fingers. All right. So now I only have the ring light on. The lamp is off, and it looks, I mean, I don't know, just from going back and forth from just looking at the screen, I can't tell that much of a difference, but maybe when I'm back editing it, I'll be able to see. But it does take a bit of getting used to having the light shine right in my face, so maybe it's too close to me. I'll have to talk to my friend Bindong. He'll be able to help me set it up. But yeah, I am pretty sure I could. Right now it's about like 3 feet from my face, so I'm pretty sure it should be a little bit further back. Not too much, a little bit of shadows, but I'm not obviously in a professional space. I'm in a little room just with a wall behind me. I guess if I moved my table a little bit more forward, I could have some backlights to kind of, you know, I guess drown out some of the shadow. But this right here is on the regular white, I guess, color, quote unquote, the default, with the white plates on it. But it does also come with red or orange, so I'll have to play around with that a little bit. It comes with, I thought this was something, it would have been cool. I thought it was an automatic shutter for the light where I could adjust it or turn on the light from here. But I think this is just to connect to your cell phone. So when you have your phone mounted, it just, you could start recording from your phone. It's not a wireless on off for the light. It just has a little, what's it called? A little knob on the bottom where you can adjust it. And I think right now I'm probably at about 50%. Maybe 75. It gets really, really bright. So for any of my other videos, I'll try to play with it and have my setup a little bit further back. But I mean, the focus is pretty good. It's keeping my camera focus. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so I finally have a professional light to add with my microphone, my Sony a7 III. Yeah, there's not too many more things I need to purchase. Maybe a backdrop or a green screen, but I don't post all that much. I don't have too many followers, so this should be pretty good for now. Yeah, so from now on, my videos will be shot with this ring light. It actually might be a little bit too high. It's like right up here. It probably should be a bit down here, but I don't know. I guess tell me if you guys can tell the difference from the first I guess, 2-3 minutes to when I turn the light on. I'll try to have some pictures above of what the light looks like and what my lamp looks like. I'll also have a picture of the description of what model this light is. And if I can find it again, I'll link it in the description. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed any of my other videos, I'll link a couple, I guess, here and here. So yeah, again, I hope everyone had a happy New Year, a great Christmas or holiday, whatever you guys celebrated. It's Thursday here in California. It is almost Friday on the East Coast. So I hope everyone has a great Friday. I definitely hope everybody has a great weekend, and I will talk to you all soon, I hope. A little bit of news is I am doing a shared tech channel with Bin Dong. It's called Tech Guys Chronicles. Eventually, I will link it here. My channel is pretty much to explain and teach people of my level how to kind of work with cameras and stuff. I try to keep it on a basic level with basic vocabulary, not get too techy, just so people like me are able to follow it. My friend Bin Dong, which many of you probably already follow, he is on a whole another level. So his personal page is kind of like geared towards professionals. So our page together, we'll kind of bridge the gap and have some fun with it, kind of have it on the mid-level for people who, have been using a camera for many years but don't necessarily need help. We'll try to do some mailbag stuff, answer your questions, give you guys some homework. Like if we talk about how to shoot in low light, we may just ask you guys to take some pictures and email it to us, and we'll go through them on our page. So that's a little heads up. Hopefully we start recording for that this week or next week, and hopefully we have content going there every week after that. And I'll still try to add some content to my page for, the little guys like me. So again, I hope you guys have a good Friday and a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.